Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Let's wait a minute for others. By the time you see what is shared on your screen, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Just revising for the last time today. Analytical paragraphs with you, then I'll move on to grammar.
Okay, ma'am.
What is an analytical paragraph? Who will tell me?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. What is an analytical paragraph? Tell me quickly.
I'm a paragraph that we write using given some data or information
Data
like
in
pie
a
chart,
form of
graphs.
yes.
Paragraph on your school. Is it an analytical paragraph?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, the paragraph that we write on the based of some given data.
It could be any figures. Can
The
we
form
have
of
the
pie
names?
chart, line chart, and graph also.
Yes, very good. Very good. It could be line graphs, it could be pie charts, it could be bar graphs, anything. So you have a figure in front of you and you need to write a paragraph. We say analytical paragraph, but actually an analytical paragraph has three sub paragraphs. Okay, which is the first paragraph we talk about? What is the name? What do we call that paragraph as?
Introduction.
An introductory paragraph.
What are the two things we need to tell in this paragraph?
About the
Ma'am, that which
chart,
cited
which type of chart it is, and what is mentioned in the chart.
Very good. Only two things. Which type of a chart is this? Is it a pie chart? Is it a bar graph, line graph? And what is mentioned? Second paragraph where you give details. What are the keywords we use in details?
Steep
Steady
rise.
rise, ma'am, gradual
Mhm.
decline.
Yes, and we also use some
Sudden
comparing.
decline.
Very good. Sudden decline. We use some comparison words also like.
And whereas as we compared to many more.
Very good. And which is the last one?
Conclusion.
Conclusion.
Conclusion. How long it should be? Conclusion paragraph?
Maximum 2 to 3 lines.
Yes. Do we give any reasons or logic in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We do not give. Okay. I hope everybody is okay and clear with this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see? Can you see a figure on your screens now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Plan your introductory paragraph, only introductory, and don't write, just plan today for this. Just take 2-3 minutes. By the time, let me admit more students. After 5 minutes, I'll log the meeting. And by the time all of you please see the figure, I'll just show you the heading. Just hold on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, may I rejoin because my screen is blank?
Okay. Total recycling 2018. Just the introductory. Just raise your hands, those who planned their introductory paragraph. Just raise your hands. Let me count how many, then we'll speak and discuss. Two students have already done it. Hurry up others as well. In all the sections, at least 4 or 5 students should raise their hands. I'm not expecting much. This number is not a big number. Very few students always speak out and participate. Very good. Now we've got good number of hands. Let's start one by one. Start from Anand. Start beta. Same sequence. Start speaking your introductory part.
This pie chart shows the ratio of total recycling done in 2018.
Okay. Next child, beta, you start writing the detail. You start planning your detailed paragraph by the time. Okay. Those who
Okay.
finish speaking the introductory can plan the details. Speak, bache. One by one, keep speaking your introductory.
The
Ma'am, the
given
given
part-
part.
The pie chart given above illustrates the total recycling of different products in the year 2018.
I would suggest don't use the word given above because when you write in your board exams, you will not draw the pie chart. So you will simply write the given pie chart. Illustrates.
Okay,
Very
ma'am.
good. Next, continue with you.
the given pie chart describes the waste recycled in 2018.
Very good. Who else?
The above pie chart illustrates about the information total recycling 2018.
Very good. Continue.
Ma'am,
Continue. on this.
Ma'am, the given pie chart shows the data of the products recycled in the year 2018.
Okay. So introductory part, you're just giving me the name of the figure and in general, what is it showing? What was the word limit we need to follow?
150 to
150.
200.
200.
So we have to be very careful when we are writing the detailed paragraph. Be sure you know that concluding paragraph is again going to be 1 or 2 lines only. So your word limit has to be made sufficient in the second paragraph, the detailed one. So please plan your second paragraph, which has to obviously be more lengthy so that you have at least 150 words. You can leave 15, 20 words for the concluding paragraph. The rest should be completed in the second paragraph. You can compare, write maximum, minimum, all these things. Come on, please plan the second one. As of now, we are not writing, we are just planning.
Excuse me,
Yes,
excuse
Vita.
me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
Snehal is saying to please enter her.
Okay, she's in the waiting. Just give me 1 minute. As I've already told you, we need to be very cautious in the second paragraph. Just leave 15, 16 words because your conclusion will finish there only. So ensure that you write at least 130, 135 words till the second paragraph. Plan your second paragraph, children. Raise your hand whose second paragraph is also ready. See, there are many things in this. So there are chances you may miss out something. So count how many things are there. Like branches and wood is 1, electronics is 2. So count so that you don't miss out anything.
I wanted to ask one thing.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, that in this, ma'am, do we need to describe also about like, little bit about all these things?
In which what? In what?
Ma'am, like
Huh?
we can just write percentages that this actual branches and woods are recycled this much percentage, and
Then
then we have
how will you make your word limit to 150 to 200 if you don't compare or you don't add on something? It will hardly reach 100 words then, beta. So
okay.
first write individually about all of them, how much percent, then compare which is higher, which is lower, which are equal, and see if there is something which
Okay.
is same also. We need to fulfill the word limit as well.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying, that your introductory and your detailed paragraph should be at least 135 words, 140 words. Because conclusion will hardly be 15 words. Let me see how many hands. Not even one yet. Sorry, never mind. The detailed paragraph takes time. Plan it quickly.
Ma'am, what is the 6%? Ma'am, below this.
What, beta?
Ma'am, in this picture there is 6%. Ma'am, I'm not able to see the name of that.
Okay. You want me to scroll down? I'll just do it. Just give me a sec.
And please zoom out the page.
Now see. Make sure when you write the detailed paragraph, count your words, not less than 140. Those who have finished, please post on the group. Nobody is yet raised the hand. That means not completed the detailed paragraph. Okay, speak the introductory part. Posting part, we can have it later. Come on, the detailed paragraph. You can post later, but at least speak out what you've written. Raise your hands. How many of you can speak out? Students, I'm not even telling you to write and post now. Just raise your hands, those who can speak the detailed paragraph. Is there someone who's ready? Not even one student has raised hand. Very good. Children, class 11, science, commerce, humanities. What a performance. I'm also giving you the relaxation that, okay, don't want to write, never mind. At least plan and speak out. Raise your hands, I'm waiting. Somebody should be able to speak out at least. Okay, let's see. Two people have raised hand. Zeba.
No, I sent on the group.
Ha, beta, but read out so that others can listen. Read very quickly. Very good. And then
Okay,
after
ma'am.
Zeba, Anadi, you read. Read, bache. Very good.
From the given paragraph shows the data of the products recycled in
Paragraph?
2018.
No. A bit of correction needed. Given what?
Pie chart, sorry.
Yes. Given pie chart. Continue.
We see that paper waste is recycled the most with a percentage of 39%. Then follows the confidential documents and plastic, metal or glass with 24% and 15% respectively. Other than these major products, others have been recycled in small proportions. Used electronic parts and miscellaneous waste have been equally recycled by 3%. Similarly, 1% of both furniture and hazardous waste have been recycled. 4% of sharp shelters and 6% of metal waste was also recycled. Branches and wood were recycled in the same percentage as sharp shelters.
Okay. Can you count and tell me approximate how many words have you used for introduction and the second paragraph? By the time Anadi, you read.
The given pie chart describes the products recycled in 2018. The most of the proportion of the waste covers paper waste covers the most of the proportion of products recycled in 2018. Sorry. The confidential documents are recycled in 24%. Then comes plastic, metal, or glass. They are recycled at 15%.
Okay. Continue.
Metals recycled in 2018 covers 6% of the total products. Branches and woods covers 4%, and used electronics are also in a small proportion, that is 3%. Least percentage of waste covers furniture and hazardous waste. Sharp shelters and miscellaneous products are 4% and 3% each.
Good. Good. Can we have an idea of the word limit?
I'm counting.
Yes. Bhavleen, start. Read.
The above pie chart illustrates the information about the data of the products recycled in 2018, and according to the pie chart, the paper waste is at the largest amount, that is recycled 39%, and then comes the confidential document, which is recycled at the proportion of 24%, and then other products are recycled at very small proportions, like the sharp shelters and branches and wood at the 4%, and plastic or metal or glass is recycled at the proportion of the 15%. And then there are some products which are just recycled at the rate of 10%, that is furniture and hazardous waste, and also the electronics, which cover 3%. According to the above pie chart, we can one conclusion we have to speak right now.
Let Bhavleen just complete first. Yes, Bhavleen, something else left? Hmm.
We
How
have
many
to speak the
words?
conclusion part.
Yes,
also.
yes, you have to speak and then post beta. Bhavleen, how many words?
Ma'am, just wait for a minute.
Ma'am, may I read now?
Yes, beta, please read.
The given pie chart illustrates the recycling of different products in the year 2018. From the pie chart, it is clear paper waste is the most recycled product, that is about 39%. followed by confidential documents, that is about 24%, and plastic, metal or glass by 15%. Metal that is recycled in the air is 6%. Branches and woods and shrub shelters are recycled by 4%. Used electronic and miscellaneous products are recycled by only 3%. The least recycled products and furniture and hazardous waste are, uh, are recycled by only 1%.
Good. So
Yes,
can we
ma'am.
have an idea approximately how many words
Yes,
from
ma'am.
all of
60 words.
yes?
Um,
Oh, very
Ma'am,
less now.
130.
They
60
should be
words.
at least 130 to 140 because the total word limit has to be 150 to 200. And conclusion will not take more than 30 words. We know in conclusion we don't give any logics or reasons, na beta? So always plan in such a way. Now you can start comparing. After giving the information about each of them, you can compare. Compared to this is higher, this is lower, this is highest, this is lowest, this is equal. Increase the word limit in the second paragraph because nowhere else you will have the scope of doing it. There was somebody who said 130 words. Who was it?
Ma'am, me approximately, ma'am.
Okay, Anadi's got approximately 130, so you will reach the conclusion. Add on the conclusion, Anadi, see if you can reach 150.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Bhavleen, how many words have you got now?
60 words.
60 to बहुत कम है, Bhavleen. Add more to the second paragraph. Compare that compared to confidential documents, the branches and wood are only 4%. That means it is 6 times more. Okay.
Yes.
You from use electronics, confidential documents are 8 times more. 3 into 8 is 24. 4 into 8, 6 is 24. So you can compare something like this. Increase the second paragraph. Hurry up. That is the only way we have, Bichi. Okay, Bhavleen has spoken, Anadi has spoken. What about others? Ayush, Moksha, Pranjal, Parth, Shivam. Just Zeba is already done. Come on, hurry up, beta. Raise your hands.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
And can we increase the intro part also? Like we can write something about recycling.
No, no, no. Introduction, you keep it limited only. Only what figure is and what is it telling you. That's it. Introduction and conclusion, don't add anything irrelevant. Try and add on whatever you can do in second paragraph. Individual description, then comparison, then maxima minima. Yes, hurry up. Let me see if there's somebody else. Bhavleen is adding more words. Others are all on mute mode. Pavleen, have you added?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta, please speak.
The pie chart shows the ratio of total recycling done in 2018. As we all know that recycling process is too much important for the waste produced by us in the whole year. As we can easily see that the maximum ratio is of paper waste and confidential documents. This shows that the maximum waste produced is by the paper waste, and third maximum concentration is of plastic, metal, glass waste. Metal are 6%, branches and woods are is 4%, used electronics 3%, furniture 1%, sharp shelters 4%, miscellaneous 3%, and hazardous waste is 1%. Furniture and hazardous waste are same in concentration, that is 1%. Paper waste is maximum, that is 39%. Confidential documents are 24%.
Very good, Anant, very good. Can we have an idea of the number of words you have, beta?
Ma'am, I have not done the conclusion.
Oh, yes, conclusion is led, but still never mind. Till here, how many words are done?
Ma'am,
Conclusion means
excluding the
another 30 words, 30,
yes,
35
ma'am.
maximum add
Ma'am,
on.
approx 130 to 140 words.
Perfect, perfect. So another 30 words or 25 words for conclusion, you will able to fulfill the word limit. Because you have negative marking if you do not go. Write the concluding paragraph as well. Very good. Write quickly.
I'm doing.
Yes, others finished. Bavleen is continuing with her details. What about others? Amazing, huh? Out of 3 sections, only 15 students attend the class. Beginning day 25, 30. When you give some work, they become 15. Very good.
Can we give conclusion?
Yes, beta, please. And then please post it also on the group.